As the sun sets over Udaipur, the night sky comes alive with celestial wonders. Tonight, Jupiter and Venus will be the first to catch your eye in the western sky, shining brightly as twilight fades. To get oriented, find Polaris, the North Star, to the north, and then turn westward to begin your journey. Let's dive into tonight's highlights, starting with Jupiter. Shortly after sunset, around 7:12 p.m., look to the western sky to spot Jupiter. At an altitude of 52 degrees and an azimuth of 275 degrees, it will be high enough to see clearly with the naked eye or binoculars. Jupiter's bright, steady light makes it easy to distinguish from the twinkling stars around it. If you have binoculars, you might even catch a glimpse of its 4 largest moons. This is the perfect time to observe Jupiter before it begins to sink lower on the horizon. Just 20 minutes later, at 7:32 p.m., Venus will take center stage in the western sky. Positioned slightly lower than Jupiter at an altitude of 30 degrees and an azimuth of 286 degrees, Venus shines with a dazzling brilliance, earning its nickname as the evening star. Use binoculars to see its crescent phase, a fascinating feature of this planet. Venus will remain visible for a while, so take your time to enjoy its beauty. Later in the night, as dawn approaches, Neptune makes its appearance in the eastern sky. At 5:57 a.m., look towards the east at an altitude of 38 degrees and an azimuth of 110 degrees. While Neptune is faint and requires binoculars or a small telescope to see, its bluish hue is a rewarding sight for those who seek it. This distant planet offers a glimpse into the outer reaches of our solar system. Just 20 minutes after Neptune, Saturn rises higher in the eastern sky. At 6:17 a.m., it will be at an altitude of 33 degrees and an azimuth of 104 degrees. Saturn's golden glow is unmistakable, and with binoculars or a telescope, you can marvel at its iconic rings. This is a great opportunity to observe one of the most stunning planets in our solar system before the sky brightens. Finally, as the morning light begins to creep in, Mars will make its appearance at 6:37 a.m. Look eastward at an altitude of 21 degrees and an azimuth of 88 degrees. Mars, with its reddish hue, is a striking sight even with the naked eye. If you have binoculars, you might notice its distinct color more vividly. This marks the perfect end to a night of planetary exploration. As the night transitions into day, take a moment to reflect on the wonders you've seen. From the brilliance of Venus and Jupiter to the distant beauty of Neptune, Saturn, and Mars, the sky has offered a spectacular show. Remember to always prioritize safety when observing, especially in the early morning hours. Keep your eyes on the skies, and we'll see you next time for another celestial adventure.